Alright, so in this video we'll be fixing the check engine light on 2013 to 2018 Nissan Sentras. The check engine light is the P0101, affecting the 2013s all the way to 2018 Sentra, body code B17. This TSB came out in May 25 of 2018. So the confirmation is a check engine light on with a code P0101, mass airflow sensor circuit B1 that is stored, and there's actually no drivability issue, so no misfires, no hesitation, no nothing. So there's three major steps that we're going to do depending on the year. So inspect the Pcv valve, replace it if it's orange. For 2013 to 2016, clean the throttle body valve, and 2013 all the way to 2018, reprogram the Pcm. So here's a simplified flowchart for what we're going to do. For 2013 and 2014, we're going to change the Pcv valve. If it's orange, we're going to replace it with the black one, clean the throttle body, and then reprogram the Pcm. That's kind of a tricky part. So the Pcv valve is located behind the engine cover towards the side. If it's orange, they want us to replace it with a black one. You could just get any aftermarket black one. The one on Nissan sells is, I think it's over $200, so it's not even worth it, and it's just a vacuum controlled one. And after that, we're gonna clean the throttle body. They want us to clean the throttle plate and any carbon deposit that could be found in the throttle plate. So we're just gonna remove it and clean it quickly with some brake cleaner. And here they kind of go over where to clean exactly. Lastly, for the reprogramming, here they're mentioning the Consult PC3. That's the Nissan OBD scanner kind of thing. We won't have access to this, but if you do have an aftermarket OBD scanner, we're going to perform a idle air relearn, and it should work with any OBD2 scanner that has that feature. So I'm going to do it with mine, with the Untitled. And depending on the ECM part number, you might or might not need a reprogramming. But there's a lot of part numbers listed here, so one of them could be the Pcm that's in your car. Alright, so I did two videos on how to replace the Pcv valve and also how to clean the throttle body for the 1.8 liter Nissan Sentras, so almost all the years. And after that, I reprogrammed the Pcm. I basically just performed a idle air relearn with my Untitled scanner and then cleared the codes. And I've been driving the car now for about 3-4 weeks, and the code never came back. Usually the code comes back the next day, so that's kind of the fix. Just to reconclude, change the Pcv valve if it's orange, change it to a black one, clean the throttle body, and lastly, reprogram the Pcm, or in other words, perform an idle air volume relearn with either an Untitled. But if you don't have an OBD2 scanner, then you might have no choice but to go to Nissan, so they could actually program it for you. And the steps that I've mentioned are for the 2013 and 2014 Sentras. The 2015 to 2016 only requires a throttle body cleaning and then a idle air relearn. And then for the 2017s to 2018, only a idle air relearn, or if you have to go to Nissan for them to reprogram it. I'm not too sure about that. But as for my case, the 2013 Nissan that I had, I did these exact steps: the Pcv valve, the cleaning of the throttle body, and the idle air relearn, and the code is completely gone. Alright, and that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this fixed your P0101 code. Like always, if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. Like and share this video if you find it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. Peace.